everyone, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to learn English language and how to be fluent while talking to someone in English language. And now question is that why should we learn English language? Is it necessary for us or not? So just try to understand, English language is not only a language, it's a necessity. We will have to learn English language. If you don't, please try to understand. Okay, because yeah, you can achieve your dreams, you can fill your dreams with your mother tongue also, but if you don't know how to speak in English fluently, people will judge you again and again. Try to understand, and at that time you will feel why I don't know how to speak in English fluently. So you will have to learn English language. Okay, it's very necessary language. Okay, so now how can we learn? Okay, and what did we do? So okay, you have 24 hours. Just take an hour of your whole day, and whatever you say in that hour, just write down on your copy. And after that, you will translate all these sentences in English language and you will speak. And make sure that you will not speak those sentences in Hindi language again. Okay, just put this way in your daily routine, and after some time later you will find a different change in yourself. This is the first way you can learn English language, and you will be fluent in English language. This is the first way. And what is the second way? What about the second way? Okay, so whenever you feel you are free, whenever, okay, I'm not giving you a time. Whenever you feel you are free, just on your camera, mobile camera, and just shoot a video and feel, yeah, I'm a big celebrity, and speak. Give a speech. Whatever you want to say, just say in English language. Doesn't matter you are speaking wrong, doesn't matter you are speaking right, just you will speak in English language. It's a great thing for you. Okay, it should be great thing for you because you are speaking in English. Doesn't matter right or wrong, because now you are saying some sentences in right way, but after some time later you will also say, you will also translate these sentences in English language. What is the matter? What's wrong with it? You can translate. That's it. If you know 12 sentences of grammar, then you can start. Present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Then you can start. These 12 sentences are enough for you for speaking, for your speaking. Okay, and what is the third way? Third way is really very, very, very interesting for you. I have an application, okay, and on that application you can find a partner. You can find a partner with whom you can speak, okay, with whom you can talk in English language. And what is the name of that application? The name of that application is English Talk. Okay, I'll also share the link of that application with you, okay, on my description box. You can find.